Hey dude, what's up? Hey bro, nothing serious. Are you ready? Well, today we're gonna do the old statuses. Hello, Jeffrey. What are you doing?
Hello, Hiram. I am cutting the sausages.
Hello, Diego. What are you doing? Hey, I am cutting the garlic. Hello, darling. What are you doing? I'm putting the butter into the pan.
A few moments later.
First, we put the red chili peppers and the garlic in a pan for 1 minute.
A few inches later.
Then we add the sausages and wait like 5 minutes.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Finish, we add the ketchup and the puree. That looks amazing. For like 3 minutes. And fire higher.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Nice.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
3, 2, 1, acción.
Hello, Jeffrey. What are you doing?
Hello. I am cutting the sausages.
Hello, Diego. What are you doing? I am cooking the house. Go on, I am cooking.